Good afternoon, everybody. This is Lloyd Craft with leadsbylloyd.com. Again, leadsbylloyd.com. This video will be about be a power lead system overview. Again, a power lead system overview. So before I get started, everybody, I want to tell you a little bit about myself. I promise I'm not going to spend a lot of time on that because I hate it when other people do that. One, I'm a father. Two, I still work a 9 to 5. I'm a full-time respiratory therapist. Three, I am growing and learning and trying to make trying to make an income online. Um, Now, this particular system, Power Lead system, I've been involved with since February of this year, and I've already seen phenomenal results. I'm making a residual income with this system, and I'm basically going to do an overview today to share with you, uh, you know, share with you everything that I know about the Power Lead system, giving you an overview to help you make a decision. Now, you may have come here because you've heard about Power Lead system, or you're trying to make an income online, or you're already involved with an opportunity, or have a business, and you're just looking to see how Power Lead system can help you. Hopefully, I answer those questions. Also, if you feel like the content I give you today is valuable, please like and subscribe. Like this video and subscribe to my channel. All right, that being said, let's get into it. So Power Lead system essentially is a suite of marketing tools, giving you everything you need to take your business online and to gather leads and sales for your business online. Uh, it's also a training suite, so we have all the training that you will ever need to be proficient in marketing your business and or your products online. It's quite simply that's it. It gives you everything you need, from capture pages to autoresponders to contact managers to email follow-up series. Um, it has in the compensation plan has a residual component, has a intermediate. Uh, how can I put it? Not a high ticket sale, but an intermediate ticket sale item and a high ticket sale item. So you're covering all your bases when it comes to the compensation plan, um, and is really simple to set up. And if you get started with me, you become part of my team and the Freedom Takers. We have all the support that you need to be successful with this system. All right, so let's what can we do? Let's go into the system. Let me log into mine. So I'm gonna log into my system. Real simple, man. Once you get started, you click this easy start button. It takes you through the 3 steps. Uh, the steps to getting your basically your landing page and your sales funnel set up. If you don't like that, we also have uh, within our group the Freedom Takers, which is growing every day, by the way. We have what they call a fast start. So let's see, where is it? Right here. Get in here in the fast start, and uh, we show you step by step via video how to get your landing page and sales funnel set up. Once you get your landing page and sales funnel set up, all you have to do then is get traffic. You can get traffic via uh, paid traffic methods or free methods. And when I say free, you got, your various social media outlets, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, Craigslist. You get traffic from those places to your landing page. Once they get on your landing page, it looks, let's see, landing page looks like this. They put their email address. Once you get their email address, the Power Lead system will then do a presentation for them, show them everything that Power Lead System has to offer, and then they make a buying decision whether they want to get started. We give them a mandatory 7-day trial, which gives them access to everything in the system so they can play around, see if it works, see if it's what they need, and if they do, then they pay the $30 if they want to be a customer, or they pay the $53 if they want to be a customer and an affiliate. And they pay that every month, and then you'll get a residual commission from that. So once they put their email address, they end up in here in your contact manager. Let's go here, and then you get all of these leads. Now you can do anything with them. You can send them emails, and we have the, you can send an email campaign right here. What I like to do is have them send over to my Aweber, because I've been using Aweber for years. But it's up to you. You can send broadcasts or messages via email through your Aweber or through here. Now, mind you, when they opt into that page, the system is automatically going to send follow-up emails daily or every other day, so that you stay in front of the customer or the prospect, and stay relevant, build a rapport and trust, so that they can make a buying decision with you, or make a buying decision with you, and thereby giving you commissions. Let's see. So let me show you proof that it works. Let me go in. See, I just got a lead today. Today is the 30th, and it's 238. I got a lead at 226. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you. Click right here. These are all leads that I've been getting. I got 89 yet. Let's just get leads, right? When you see gold member, those are individuals who came into the funnel, put their email address, saw the sales page where they presented it to them, what Power Lead System was, what it was about, what it could offer them, and they decided to go ahead and sign up. Each gold member you see here, that's the equivalent of $20 commission coming into me. If you see PLS too, that's another $20 as well. So that's PLS customer is just someone who didn't want to promote Power Lead System, but wanted to use the suite of tools that it has. But either way, whether they pay $30 a month or $53, I still get $20 per month for those individuals. Okay, so that's that. Go look at some income proof. Like I said, I've only been in it since February. I'm gonna go here. I know I have to blur some of this out, maybe. Let's see. Commission earned. And last weekend I had a $531. I got it on the Saturday. I think it was not this past Saturday, but Saturday before that. So I should be getting paid this amount this Wednesday. That was huge for me. That was an eye opener, because it shows me that this system really does work. Been in it less than 2 months and getting paid pretty good commissions. I've married the process. I keep traffic going to my landing page. I do free and paid, and it's yielded me results over time. Let's see, I think I'm earning like 300 residual per month. Well, it's 260. But over time, this number is going to grow as long as I stay consistent. I know individuals earning 4,000 or 5,000 a month residually, but the only difference between them and myself is they've been in it longer. That being said, if you want to get started with us, get started with me, click the link below in the description, or go to leadsbyloyd.com. That's leadsbyloyd.com. Click the link and get started with us, man. I help every individual on my team. Um, and again, I'm just like most of you. I'm working a 9 to 5, building my business online on the side. But what's really huge is you get started with us. We have a whole. It's not just me. Everybody in the Freedom Takers, everybody in our group is willing to help you achieve results. And people are just look at everybody's getting results on our team. So look forward to getting started with you. Y'all have a good evening.